Hello everyone. Today's video is a special requested video for everybody who is to sit for long hours and keep working. Because of that, the back pain is a very common problem, and this donut cushion is a solution for long hours sitting conditions. The pattern I'm showing you and I made, it is available only here. You won't get it anywhere on the YouTube till date. And for your reference, I'm giving a link in the description so that you can check the exact 17-inch by 14-inch size. This is the most industry recommended. So just take a paper or a sheet, fold it, take the mid of it, and each side of the line take about 2 inch. We are making a donut shaped seat cushion, and this cushion is very effective whether you use for yourself, for your kids, for an adult or anybody. You can use it for long sitting, whether for stitching, you are sitting for stitching things, or for work, any other work, right? So just give it a shape. And the best thing is it makes a wonderful Christmas gift or any gift for people you care for. So just give it a shape. It could be an oval shaped, and there is one easy way to do it. Just fold this sheet once more. Now you have to give a shape in the middle. I just make it a little darker for you, and from the sides. So you cut it from the sides. That's optional, and you can cut it any shape that you want to. But this is the ideal, the standard industry and doctor's recommended shape. I'm suggesting the doctor's recommendation because back pain and your physical body, it is very important to keep it fit. Now I used one old sweatshirt, and keeping this pattern, making this pattern is very important so that you can cut the pieces properly. Now keep this pattern, keeping about just 1 centimeter. You need enough margin just to stitch around it, right? So pin the pattern on the fabric so it doesn't move, and cutting is easier. And marking on a sweatshirt is slightly difficult with a chalk, so I pinned it. And now you cut it all around, remove the pins, fold it half, and cut this middle part. When you open, you get 2 pieces because our sweatshirt had 2 front and back. Now we have 2 pieces, and to finish it, you'll be needing long strips of about 2.5 inches wide. So here you have 2.5 inch wide strips, and these strips will go inside. 2 of these will go inside. You have to stitch from the side, and all other ones you need enough just to cover the area around it. Okay, and from the side you keep about 4 or 5 inch from the side, from one side, so that you can fill it with foam, cotton, or some scrap of the fabrics. Okay, so this way you will be stitching. If you have any doubt, you ask me in the comment section. So I'm using one old pillow, and I'm using the cotton from this, but you can use foam. Cotton is best if you have severe back pain or hips joint problem, or any fracture, or any situational orthopedic problem you have, then cotton is best. Otherwise you can use foam, or scrap of fabric, old scraps. You can use that. I hope you like this video, and please let me know in the comment section how is it. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will share some more ideas with you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.